Welcome to topic 1 of Java. Today we're going to be learning about the skeleton. Now, the Java skeleton, as you may know, is something that happens in every single program. It's how the program will be defined. Uh, and we might have seen these in many different types of programming languages like HTML, JavaScript, where you open brackets, you close brackets, and you have to pretty much do that for every single program for the actual code to run. Now, Java has a similar thing, and this is what its skeleton looks like. So let's just go through what it is. Public class main, opening bracket, public static void main, parentheses, string, brackets, args, and then we have enter your code here, which is where you will be putting your code and everything that you program inside of. Now, we might need to get into a little bit more stuff, so here are the important parts of the skeleton. So now the brackets, they're just blocks. Public is just saying that it's available to everyone. Then we have the two brackets again. We have the arrays, right? And we'll dive into these a little bit later, but arrays are just a multi-dimensional or single or 3D. These things just are used to store data. We don't need to get into that right now. Those are tougher topics, so we can get to those in later videos. But let's move on. So we have the main open parentheses and close parentheses, and this is just a function or method in Java, and everything that's inside the main is going to be executed. So just make sure that all the code that you have that you want to run is inside of the main function, because if it's not in the main, it's just going to be a method that you need to place a method call to actually execute code. Then we have print and println, and these are actually also methods. You'll see that everything in Java is actually a method, and things like this are very important because we need to have methods to actually run specific amounts of code that we have. So another few things that we need to kind of note in Java is that every program it's written as a class, and this is because Java is a object-oriented language. Now, another thing that you need to note is that the capitals and the lowercase, they are all defined as different things, so you need to actually make sure that you are actually making sure that your capital variables, your capital classes are capital, or if your lowercases are lowercases, because it will differentiate between capitals and lowercase letters. So make sure that those things are always attended to in your programs, and that will allow you to avoid syntax errors in your programs. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.